Come with me, imagine yourself adrift, floating. You are suspended in the vast inky blackness of interstellar space. Look around, no up, no down, just an endless expanse. Stars like scattered diamonds glitter in the distance. Some are close, others are impossibly far away. Each one is a sun, some are like our own, many are different. Bigger, smaller, older, younger. This is the universe, in all its silent majesty. It is waiting for us to explore its deepest secrets and grandest spectacles. The silence out here is profound. It is a quiet unlike anything on Earth. No wind, no rustling leaves, no distant traffic, just the hum of your own thoughts, and the occasional crackle of cosmic rays. You are a tiny speck, a solitary voyager in an ocean of cosmic night. Yet you are also a part of this grandeur. Your atoms were forged in the hearts of stars long ago. You carry the universe within you. This journey through space is also a journey into ourselves, into our origins and our destiny. Gaze deeper into the darkness. What do you see? Pinpricks of light. Some are individual stars, our stellar neighbors, but others, those faint fuzzy patches, those are galaxies, entire islands of stars, billions of them. Each galaxy contains billions of suns, and there are billions of galaxies. The numbers are staggering. They stretch the limits of our imagination. How did all this come to be? What forces shaped this cosmic arena? These are the questions that drive us, the questions that propel our cosmic journey forward. Our voyage is just beginning. We are explorers by nature. It is written into our DNA. We look up at the night sky and we wonder. We build tools, telescopes, spaceships of the mind. We extend our senses across light years. We seek to understand our place in this immense cosmos. There is so much to learn, so many mysteries to unravel. The universe is a book filled with endless pages, and we have only just begun to read the introduction. Join me as we turn the next page. Where do stars come from? They are not eternal. They are born, they live, and they die. Their story begins in colossal clouds of gas and dust. We call them nebulae. These are the stellar nurseries of the cosmos. Imagine vast, swirling tapestries of hydrogen and helium, spanning light years across. Within these clouds, gravity begins its patient work. Slowly, inexorably, it pulls material together. Clumps form, they grow denser, hotter. The pressure mounts. This is the genesis of a star, a slow gathering of cosmic matter. For millions, even billions of years, a star lives a brilliant life. At its core, a furnace rages, nuclear fusion. Hydrogen atoms slam together, they fuse to become helium. This process releases tremendous energy, light, heat. It is this energy that pushes outwards. It balances the inward crush of gravity. This delicate cosmic dance defines a star's existence. During its lifetime, a star is a cosmic alchemist. It forges heavier elements in its fiery heart: carbon, oxygen, iron, the very building blocks of planets and of life itself. But nothing lasts forever, not even stars. The more massive a star, the shorter its life. These giants burn through their nuclear fuel with astonishing speed. They live fast and die young. Eventually, the fuel runs out. The outward pressure from fusion weakens. Gravity, always waiting, begins to win. The star's core, now rich in heavy elements like iron, can no longer support itself. Catastrophe looms. The core collapses under its own immense weight, in a fraction of a second. This is the beginning of the end, a dramatic implosion. The collapse of the core triggers a titanic explosion, a supernova. For a brief period, the dying star can outshine its entire galaxy. It blasts its outer layers into space. This cosmic shrapnel enriches the interstellar medium. It seeds new clouds with heavy elements. These elements will one day form new stars, new planets, perhaps new life. What remains of the core? That depends on its mass. For the most massive stars, the collapse doesn't stop. It continues beyond anything we can easily comprehend. It is the prelude to one of the universe's most enigmatic objects. What happens when gravity's victory is complete? When the core of a truly massive star collapses without end? The material is crushed beyond imagination. All the protons, neutrons, electrons, everything squeezed into an infinitesimally small point. A region of zero volume and infinite density. We call this a singularity. Our current laws of physics break down here. They cannot describe what happens at the very center of such an object. It is a place where space-time itself is infinitely curved, a true cosmic enigma. This singularity is the heart of a black hole. But you can't see it. It's hidden, shrouded by a boundary. We call this the event horizon. Think of it as the ultimate point of no return. Anything that crosses the event horizon can never escape. Not matter, not radiation, not even light, the fastest thing in the universe. Its pull is too strong. The escape velocity exceeds the speed of light. This is why black holes are black. They swallow light and reflect none. They are the ultimate cosmic traps. But don't worry too much. Black holes are not cosmic vacuum cleaners. They don't roam the universe, sucking up everything in their path. They obey the laws of gravity, just like stars and planets. If our sun were suddenly replaced by a black hole of the same mass, Earth would not get sucked in. We would continue to orbit it, just as we do now, albeit in complete darkness and freezing cold. You have to get very close to a black hole inside its event horizon to be trapped. They are not lurking monsters, but rather extreme manifestations of gravity. So a black hole is a region of space-time, a place where gravity has become so overwhelmingly strong, it has crushed matter out of existence into a singularity, and it has created a one-way membrane, the event horizon, where the universe as we know it ends, or perhaps transforms into something else entirely. These objects are not just theoretical curiosities. The universe is teeming with them. They are a fundamental part of its structure and evolution, and they hold clues to some of its deepest mysteries. Where do we find these invisible giants? Evidence suggests that supermassive black holes reside at the centers of most large galaxies, including our own Milky Way. These are not the remnants of single stars. These are monsters, millions, even billions of times the mass of our sun. Sagittarius A, that's pronounced A star, is the name of ours. It sits quietly at our galaxy's core. Its gravity orchestrates the dance of stars orbiting nearby. These galactic black holes play a crucial role in how galaxies form and evolve over cosmic time. How can we see something that emits no light? We observe its effects. We watch stars orbiting an unseen massive object. Their paths reveal the black hole's presence and its mass. We see gas and dust swirling into a black hole. This material forms an accretion disk. It heats up to millions of degrees. It shines brightly in X-rays before disappearing beyond the event horizon. And now, we can even detect ripples in space-time itself. Gravitational waves, caused by the collision of black holes in distant galaxies. These are our eyes on the invisible. Despite these discoveries, black holes remain profoundly mysterious. What truly happens at the singularity? Do our laws of physics need a rewrite? A quantum theory of gravity, perhaps? What is on the other side of an event horizon if there is one? Some speculate about wormholes, gateways to other universes, or other parts of our own. These are questions at the frontier of science. Each answer we find seems to unveil even deeper, more fascinating questions. The universe is a master of suspense, always keeping its greatest secrets just out of reach. The quest to understand black holes is a testament to human curiosity. It is a journey into the extremes of nature, a journey that pushes the boundaries of our knowledge. We are explorers. It is in our spirit to venture into the unknown, to gaze into the abyss and ask why? The cosmos is vast and full of wonders, and the thrill of discovery awaits those who dare to look. There are more things in heaven and earth and in the space between than are dreamt of in our philosophies. The universe beckons. Let us continue to explore.